Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel for another little video. Cars and coffee. Not just any cars and coffee morning, it's the cars and coffee held by Cars and Coffee themselves. A man named Mrana that we don't know who he looks like unless you've actually seen him. I haven't, so I don't know what he looks like. Yeah, behind me we've got Topaz Detailing who are hosting it from 8:30 to 10:30, and then there's a convoy, supercar hypercar convoy going from here to the Mclaren Technology Centre in Woking. So we're in the ST. Don't know whether we're going to try and be part of the convoy or try and get to MTC before the convoy arrives and get like a video of them, all the supercars and that rolling in. But we've got a GT2 RS and a Senna behind me. It's about 8 o'clock. Loads of photographers here already waiting. Topaz have just turned up with a trailer, so we'll go take a look around and see what they're going to unload. Now Topaz are down the other end of the, a set of units, but up here we got HRO and Ferrari, like a maintenance centre. No one's down there looking at it. Well, people just started coming there. So how could you not notice these sitting up the other end of the road? Got Testarossa, loads of 488s. There's a very nice 488 piece up the front, with a very nice carbon wing, sitting next to a nice black Lusso. Fair few Californias sitting in there. You don't really see Californias anymore. Looks like another Pista up top, grey Pista. 488 Spider. Yeah, but look at these. Some 488 GT cars, I suppose. FF Corsa. Yeah. And then just over there as well, you've got Pagani workshop. So, should be a good day. Pista. People standing in the road just for a shot. So here we go, got the main Cars and Coffee convoy that have turned up. Nice SVJ. And then we got Mr. Cars and Coffee down there, parking up his Pista. We got a Veyron, we got another McLaren, we got TGE and his IKEA Pista. Oh, someone's late for work, I guess. Not a fan of Veyrons actually, but this one's quite subtle, in a very dark like navy blue. Someone else late for work? Yeah, definitely the main convoy. There's the man who organised it all. Ah. Just realised who that is in that Aventador SVJ. That is Rana. loads of SVs. Got a P1. MSVs sound a bit hot. Look at that though. If I ever had a P1, it'd either been this orange or black, just all black. This is one that we see at Fuel Fest a couple of months ago. Nice bright yellow, can't really miss it. Let's go take a look inside at Topaz now they've opened it up. See what we got. Straight away we got a P1, another P1, we got an F1, we got another Veyron with a wing up. Don't normally see him with a wing up. We've got an Enzo. But that's what I want to see.
Because I asked Rail.
918. Out of the three of the Holy Trinity hybrid hypercars, this would be the one I'd have personal preference. As much as I like the LAF and the P1, I'd have this MT. I don't know why, I don't know what it is, but we've just got these top exit exhausts. Although I suppose, yeah, got them on others. Yeah, I don't know. I just really like it. And we've got some Koenigseggs, we've got a Regera and two Regera Rs. So shiny, I'm having trouble picking it up on a camera. Okay, so I've just come out of Topaz Detailing, and this is what I've walked into. We've got one of the most well recognised Bugatti Veyrons. However much the car is worth, it is no match for its number plate, F1 number plate, worth £14 million, so I've been told. We've got a P1, another Veyron in front of that. We've got some Pistas, we've got a 918 with its roof off, we've got two Sennas sandwiched a P1. We've got a GT2 RS, and then we've got countless other supercars as far as the eye can see. So in Dubai, or the UAE, the police have supercars to keep up with supercars. The police have just turned up in London, and they've turned up in a Toyota hybrid. They're not going to get very far. Beautiful matte black SVJ with yellow pinstripe and that, but we are about to leave all of this, get to the car, get ready for the convoy to MCC. We've decided we're going to try and get in the convoy, so we're going to see how that goes. We've got to move the car, get to a spot down there and try and join in somehow. The gap between that where he's lifted the front end up, it's nearly higher than mine, look at it! But what he doesn't realise, the convoy is leaving now. It is 10:30. So we've got a Range Rover down there with his hazards and little lights. I'm guessing it's an escort vehicle, and a convoy is just around the corner shouting their angry V12s. So I think we'd better jump into the car and get ready to try and get in there. Right, getting ready. Waiting for Mike, he's going to do a last minute jump in. We're in the car, there's this escort vehicle, and it looks like Rana's SVJ is just coming over the first speed bump now, and that'll be the beginning of the convoy. Oh, no way he's got it raised up, but lower your centre, boy. Or girl, even. Sorry, lady. I've been in worse traffic jams, I'll tell you that. So, after a very, very mad convoy of me being stuck between probably about 15 supercars coming out of the North Circular, out of Topaz, and then slowly got split up, ended up sticking with a group of Lamborghinis. Not just, well, Aventador SVJs and SVs and a Porsche GT3 RS. So once we got on the M40 and the M25, it was a lot of 70 mile an hour. But yeah, we just found a nice spot on the curb. a lot of spotters have already sort of gotten us to it, but over there is the queue to get into the MTC. And yeah, so it's been fun, to say the least. Okay. People going mad. Right, that's it. Supercars have stopped coming in now, sort of faded out a bit. So I think that's pretty much the end of the day. We can't go any further unless we got a pass. That is going to be as much as the MTC we're going to see. So yeah, absolutely insane day. A lot better than what I thought it'd be. So fair play. Yeah, if you like what you see, hopefully I'll try to get to a few more of these events in the future, especially next year once the weather starts picking up again. But yeah, like and subscribe would be much appreciated, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.